Okay, you know why I'm here, and you feel, and you know what's been happening. Okay, now I just want to address this because I had one female. She really was like, she commented and she was like, I like your video, but I wish you would have got straight to the point and edited out all the other stuff. First of all, I'm a real raw YouTuber. I am not editing out a damn thing. If you don't like what the fuck I post, or if you don't like something in my video, or if you feel like I'm not getting straight to the point, there is a fast forward button for a reason. You ain't got to hear my mouth. You get what I'm saying? Or I like this one. Click off if I'm going too slow for you. You get what I'm saying? Because I feel like, genuinely, I feel like if I was like a known YouTuber, if I was like Dear or somebody, and she got off point or she got off topic, y'all bitches would be like, oh no girl, take your time, it's okay, take your time, we love the unedited version. Girl, shut the fuck up. Y'all pick and choose who the fuck y'all like. Anyway, now that that's being said, I guess I should get to the motherfucking point, huh? Okay. Brook Nation hair growth oil. Yes, ma'am. So my fourth bottle came. If y'all don't know, she had a sale, okay? And I actually buy these. Like, she doesn't send these to me for free. I actually buy these. So yeah, each one was a coin. Each one was 15. No, I'm lying. Every time she's had a sale, I bought one. And then I think I bought another one, like, for regular price. It was 15 or something like that. But she had a sale. She had a Valentine's Day sale. And I missed the one where she had the 2-ounce bottles. I missed that one. I felt so disrespected. But anyways, it's fine. But I got my new bottle. Now, I already used it on TikTok. I used it on this part. So go follow me on TikTok. This is why y'all should be following me on TikTok. My TikTok, so you can get a little bit more personality. You get what I'm saying? Follow me on TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. Make sure you follow me on there. But yes, this is my fourth bottle, and it was real cute. I ate the sucker on TikTok too. Okay, so it came in like a cute little Valentine's Day packaging, and then the sucker gone, child. The sucker gone, but it was good. So I don't mind, y'all. But this oil is really, really good. I don't mind paying the money. I paid every time. I paid every time. I'm like, yo, I need this in my life. I'm finna put my mama on. I'm finna put my brother on. I'm finna put everybody on, because this oil is really, really good. I will be looking out for when she has the bigger bottles, because I need me them bigger bottles, child. I need me them bigger bottles. I go through this in like 2 weeks, because I use it every day. I have thick hair. I have a lot of hair, as you can see. And this is definitely growing my hair. I'm not gonna do a length check. Oh, I need to separate some pieces. I'm not gonna do like a length check or anything, because my next length check is gonna be on my birthday. I feel like it does not make sense to keep checking your hair and checking your hair and checking your hair every month or every day. Don't get too obsessed with it, you know what I'm saying? When you use a product every day, wait 6 months to do a length check, and then you can see like, okay, the growth has been drastic, you know what I'm saying? Don't check every month or every day. Like, no ma'am. Like, but yeah, like, the hair has been growing, the hair has been feeling good, my hair has been definitely flourishing. Now I know somebody said like, oh, your hair is already long. Which is true. I'm glad you can see. Okay, but I want my hair longer. I want my hair longer. My hair is already long. Yes, the length was already there before I started using this product. However, I want my hair longer. I'm not satisfied. This is long. But I'm not satisfied, and I don't feel like there's anything wrong with that. I know my hair can get longer. My hair has been longer. My hair has been butt length. So when I was a child, so with that being said, we gonna aim for butt length again. Right now I'm waist length. Right now I'm, hold on, I don't remember, child. I don't know. Okay. So my hair, ooh, I need some water. Can I take a break? Or do I need to edit this out? Can I sip my water, or do I have to edit this out too? I'm not sure. I don't know. Let me know. I hate bitches sometimes. I really do. But anyway, my hair hits my waist beads. Like, it hits my waist beads. I'm not finna get up. I don't feel like it. But my hair hits my waist beads, and I want my hair to hit that booty. I want my hair to hit that booty. You know what I'm saying? I want booty length. I want booty length. I want my hair to hit that booty. So yeah, that's what I'm aiming for. And this product is really, really good. My book is my book is always in the same place. Every time I'm done writing it, I put it in the same place. And then when I record, I don't feel like getting up. I'm lazy. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm lazy. But yeah. I love it. I've missed you so much. It's been so hard, like, because I had to use the Mayel one. And don't get me wrong, that one is good. But I like this one just a little bit more better. I like this one just a little bit more better. The smell. It's the smell every time. It smells so pleasant. Like, don't get me wrong, the Mayel one smells great as well, but this one just does something to me. Like, oh my gosh. I will never. Brook, if you ever stop making this, we're gonna have issues. I'm not even saying, you know, I'm being like, so for real, like, we're gonna have problems. You can't ever tell me that you're done or you're out of business. You can't. That's not what's happening. But yeah, y'all. So this ice cream truck is finna come and ruin my video, so I'm finna get off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Brook Nation, keep doing your thing. Continue. I love you. I love your product. I love my hair. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.